Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a blog using the Longwood Blogs website. So what first you want to do is open your browser and go to blogs.longwood.edu. That will bring you to this page. Up at the top right hand corner you're going to sign in using your username and password. Your username is your standard username that you will sign in for getting onto the computers or for Canvas. You should not use your longwood.live username. Once that has been logged in, you should see a few different options up here. You can see My Sites if you have created any blog sites before, create a new site, or sign out. For the purpose of this, you're going to want to create a new site. So go ahead and click Create New Site. From here, you can see the sites that you are already a member of. These are the sites that either you have created or that you have been placed in through a different class. What you want to do, if you do not want to use any of these sites, which for this assignment I believe you're not going to be using any older sites, you're going to want to create a new name. So you need to make sure you create a brand new site name. This site name right here must be all lowercase. It needs to be one word. It can be multiple words, but there can be no spaces between them. You can add numbers, but you cannot add any symbols, and no capitalizations. The site title is what you want the users to see. So for instance, this one is Longwood Blogs right here, so site title would be just what you want your site to be called. You would like your blog to be searchable, so you can allow that. So if somebody types in your name or your site on Google, they could find it, or your site title on Google, they could find it. You can click yes or no. Make sure that you look at these blogging guidelines, because there are certain things that the university does have control over with your blogs and things that we do not want you to be posting. So make sure you understand these, and once you have read these and understood them and agreed, click this. Then you have three options here: visible only to registered users of this network, visible to only registered user of this site, visible only to administrators of this site. For the assignment that you're going to be creating, you can click visible only to registered users of this network. So anybody with a Longwood username can submit information onto this, or they can view your site. So you click that, and it will allow people that are registered on this as Longwood users to view your site. Otherwise, you can say no, and then nobody can view it, and you can change this later. So visible to only registered users on the site, then click Create Site. Once you do that, if this name that you have created is not in use, then you will get a notification that your site is ready to go, or you will get a notification that this name is in use and you'll have to change it. So this is the next page you should receive. You should see that this site is yours. You're going to get this new title, and it gives you some instructions. Log in using your existing password. From this page you can click this highlighted item or this URL, and you can move from there. So click that, and it comes up to the standard blog information. This is the standard way that the blogs are set up. So what you need to do is go to the dashboard, scroll over to the title, and click Dashboard, and this will bring you to this dashboard where you can see all the different content that you're going to want to use and change. The first thing you're going to want to do for this will be to change your appearance. So hover over appearance with your mouse down here at the left corner and then click themes. So these are all in alphabetical order, and the ones that we suggest, because of the ability to have titles across title screens across the top, or menus across the top, is 2010, 2013, and 2012. There are other options that have the menus across the top, and I'll show you what a live preview of these look like. So you see this one has home, but there's options to add other titles across the top, and we can work on that later. So if you want to use this one, you click activate and publish, and then it will tell you that it's published, and you can go about making changes in this. And if you decide that you like a different one better before you create your blog, you can close that and you can go back to your themes, which is the page it will go back to, and you can select any one of these. So that's a basic rundown of what the blogs are and how to create one, and we will talk again later.